In year 1897, British physicist J.J. Thomson used specially designed cathode ray tube to find the charge to mass ratio of electrons. This tube had provisions of electric and magnetic fields perpendicular to each other as well as to the path of the cathode ray. During his studies, he observed that the deflection produced in the tube depends on electric and magnetic field strengths. Initially, in absence of electric or magnetic field, the cathode ray produced from cathode travels in straight line, passes through the hole at anode and strike over the boundary at B of the tube. Due to fluorescent coating, it forms bright spot at B. On application of only electric field, he found that the cathode ray deflects towards positive terminal and strike over the boundary at A. Similarly, on application of only magnetic field, the cathode ray was found to deflect in opposite direction and strike the boundary at C. Then he did an interesting thing. He applied both electric and magnetic fields simultaneously. The bright spot formed at some point. By balancing the electric and magnetic fields, he was able to bring back the spot at point B. With further experimentation and measurements, he was able to find the charge E to mass m ratio of electrons. That is E by m, which is equal to 1.758820 into 10 raised to 11 coulomb per kilogram, where E is the charge on electron in coulomb and m is the mass of electron in kilogram. Since electrons are negatively charged, hence charge on cathode rays can be given as minus E. Further detailed experiments done by J.J. Thomson proved that to find the value of E by m, any gas or any material of the electrode can be used. This proved that the particles emitted from cathode terminal are identical. Being independent on nature of material of terminals, it is also proved that these particles are the universal constituents of all atoms and materials. The name electron was given by a Dutch physicist H. A. Lorentz. Charge on electrons. From experimental study, R. A. Millikan determined that charge on the electron is equal to minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Currently, the accepted value of electron is minus 1.6022 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. With this value, mass of electron can be obtained as E by m is equals to 1.758820 into 10 raised to 11 coulomb per kilogram. M is equals to E upon 1.758820 into 10 raised to 11 coulomb per kilogram. Therefore, Me equals to 1.6022 into 10 raised to minus 19 upon 1.758820 into 10 raised to 11. Therefore, Me equals to 9.1094 into 10 raised to minus 31 kilogram.